Hi and welcome back to another episode of Middle-Aged Man with a Grinder, which is a very different episode to Middle-Aged Man on a Grinder. Anyway, I'm working on the facade, which I'm trying to clean, make as ready as possible for pointing. And this morning we went and had a look at a few different brick houses to see what color of pointing we want. And we found this amazing gem of a villa, which I'll show you guys now. And I came across this old house, which has some very interesting details. So it's another day. Yesterday we picked up some friends at the airport and dropped them off at Lake Como. I'll show some pictures of that trip in the end of this video. I also went and bought a few things. I still can't get hold of the stuff I want. Basically what I want is something similar to this, but a bit wider, that I can stick onto a normal drill. This is not it, but I'll give it a try. So I'll have this one to polish the brick. I also try these ones. We'll see how those are. I'm sure I'm gonna need quite a few, so I bought a pair of them. And then I have this to cut in between the pointing to remove that. So we'll see how this goes, and if not, then I'm gonna have to order one of those in the style I want online, and it's gonna be a few days, so hopefully these will be fine. So yeah, back at it again with the never-ending story. I just tried that one and it's working great. However, I need to be very careful so that I don't get these circular marks, prone to cutting into the stone very harsh. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna try the other one, the asphalt type thingy, and see how that works. So I just watered down the wall to get some dust off. The asphalt one worked very good. I basically ruined the whole thing though, so we'll see. I had the same issue with that one though. I need to be very careful so that it doesn't cut into the stones too much. But apart from that, it looks very good. What I'll do now is try to see if I can remove the old pointing, if I should use the same tool or if I should do something else. We'll see. I'll give it a shot. So I just tried to remove the pointing and it's working great. It's very time consuming, but kind of knew that already. What I'll do now is gonna continue sanding off the rest of the old facade all the way up here and then down there, and try to do one thing at a time. Anna is going for a walk with the dogs. It's really dusty here and it's not very pleasant. So it's a new day, and today we're having the plumber here, and he was here yesterday, and we're having a few issues with this bathroom. Initially we wanted the toilet here and the sink here. The distance between here is going to be a bit too tight, so we're going to redesign this bathroom. Still going to have a bathtub here, but most likely we're going to do both the sink and toilet on this side. We'll see. That's going to be redesigned. As for upstairs, we are more or less on plan what to do. Gonna have a sink here, so we're placing the tubes here today. We're gonna have a toilet here, a bidet, and a shower in that corner. So he's gonna do all the preparations today, and then I mean it's gonna be a while before we can actually start doing a bathroom in here, because we're missing the windows. So I can't do much work to this wall because this window keeps opening on me. As soon as there is any sort of wind, this window is basically open. So as you guys can see, we've had some rain in here. So it's a bit of an issue not having the windows, and therefore it's going to be a while before the bathroom gets built here, I guess. I'll do as much as I can, but it won't be much. So it's another beautiful day at the house. Today I'm going to do some work upstairs to get rid of the old plaster, and then I'm going to do some removing of the old pointing. Dogs are relaxing. I'm walking around showing off my tan legs. Anna is doing some gardening. She is using the trimmer, whatever it's called. So yeah, and here's our neighbor arriving with a cake for us. So that's the cake.
Our amazing, so sweet neighbor.
90, what is she, 94?
She just turned 90, so I went with a flower to her the other week.
Yeah, great neighbors. Okay, so I guess we have lunch sorted. So I just had a quick meeting with a plumber. Unfortunately, we need to change some of the plans for the downstairs bathroom because of measurement issues, etc. It's not very big, but it will be fine anyway. And unfortunately, I've changed because I can't procrastinate the work any further. I need to get this done. So that's the plumber working away in the upstairs bathroom, and then afterwards he will start working in that one. Okay, so the facade is basically finished. I just need to remove the old pointing. I need to do some treatment for the damp damp protection, repointed some facade bits here, and that's it. Anna is gardening, but I came up with an excellent idea to keep me occupied with something which is not facade related, because I'm having too much fun in the dust. So I'm gonna keep grinding away, because that's what I do on this. This was started a year ago by Anna and her father, and today I am going to finish it. So it's another day, and we have had a few days of horrible weather, and it's still not great. I'm gonna take the opportunity to actually fill this room, clean this room, fill it with all the things that are in here, which is absolutely full of stuff that's gonna be in that room. So instead of having a total mess here, I am going to put everything in there, organize everything, and actually clean up this place a bit. And then hopefully sometime in the future we'll have a window here, who knows?
1 week later.
We have the plumber here working in the old pink bathroom, and today we are in April, which means we can do a fire in the garden, and my arsonist wife has been wanting to do this for weeks now. So today it's finally gonna happen. We're gonna do some burning. Let's see how that goes. It's rather strange. In Italy, you're not allowed, or at least in this region, we're not allowed to do fires when it's wet and winter, but as soon as it dries up, that's when you can do a fire, which is the total opposite to what I would say is a good idea, but that's life. Anyway, okay, I'll admit it, I am the arsonist. I have a small fire going. I do have a hose of water nearby. Safety, because this channel is all about safety. This is the current status of the facade. Not sure I'm gonna do much more work to that, but for now it's all about fire. So here we have the assistant arsonist to help with the rake, and the idea is to try to keep this fire fairly small so that it doesn't go everywhere, because as you guys can see, there are quite a lot of things around here that would love to catch fire. Wouldn't love that, so we're gonna try to keep it small. Okay, that's basically non-existent. Fairly bigger than that, but yeah, we'll see.
75 years later.
So the assistant left me. That's the old fire. That's the new one, and the pile is almost decimated. It's ridiculously warm, about 20 degrees, sunny, and about 5,000 degrees whenever I'm near the fire. So I'm as usually having an awesome time. So Anna is taking care of some dirt that's next to the brick wall, which basically means that when it gets wet, the water penetrates the bricks. So we just clean that up a bit. I'm by the fire, and the plumber is just finished. So let's head on into the house and see the progress. So that's the progress so far. He didn't have time to do the incoming water, but we are at least getting there. So basically we're gonna have a toilet here, sink over here, not a sink over here that we originally wanted because it's a bit too tight. So I think this is gonna be decent anyway. And then that's it for the plumbing. Let's head on out to the fire again. Okay, so the fire is finished. The facade is unfortunately not finished. That is finished in a couple of minutes. We are heading to Stockholm actually. I have a few things to take care of. Anna is going to join me. We are going to be away for a bit. So we're taking another break. Not sure for how long, but we have this winter situation which is not resolved yet, and we can basically not move forward. Fortunately, another break, but we will be back hopefully very, very soon. So until next time. Okay, I said the video is over. It's not. I have a few more seconds. Just wanted to show you guys this house. It's in a nearby village, and it's very, very similar in the color as our house used to be, and hopefully what our house will be in the future as well. So that was it for this video. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until next time. Ciao.